G'day Chris, just showing you a quick video of your Easysolar. So colour control there, the little dongle there that I've got to plug in yet for Wi-Fi, but that's no big drama. Now I've made some mods. So I took out all the original cheap circuit breakers and I've put in a safety switch here for the shore power input connection, which we need to have. And then I've got two safety switches here installed for AC out. So AC out 1 will be to your CMS power points, AC out 2 will go to your aircon, and then I've also modified it and I've put in, because there was some spare breakers here which I removed, and I put this contactor in place that will switch between either shore power input or alternator input and allow the multi-plus to do the charging. There was a couple of breakers over here that we didn't need, and so I installed a DC breaker for the solar panels because they don't have that on board for the Easysolar, which is a bit strange. Main battery leads I've just put in here as a test before, just to see it up and running. I've modified, where I've run this in, I've put these guys in, so when you get it, you will plug them in here. Plus and minus here, that's your charge controller tucked in underneath there, by the way, you can see upside down. So that's how they do that. So we've just got to run your solar cables, will go into here, and then so let me shift a couple of things, and then you will wire in to the bottom of that circuit breaker. Now you see that spare bit of DIN rail there where the main battery cables are coming through. What I'd like to do is get this guy in. Those cables won't be there, but get that guy in. Basically I want to have that main circuit breaker, and I've very carefully got to do a little cutout there so the main battery circuit breaker can fit inside of here, and that will just make everything a proper all-in-one sort of a box. And then the only other item that we've got outside the Easysolar is this guy here, which is your 24 to 12. So I thought that can probably live on top there, maybe stick it down with some double-sided tape, or I can run screws into there, whichever you prefer. And then it'll take a 24 volt feed out of the back of that breaker, and then all you've got to do is plug into those two there for 25 amps at 12 volt output for your LED lights, fans, etc. So basically, yeah, that sort of neatens it up to what I was previously imagining, having to make boards with extra breakers and everything on. So if you're happy for me to do that cutout, I can mount everything on board the Easysolar. Alright mate, I'll shoot you the link for this so you can watch it.